Alright guys, welcome to part maybe 4 or 5 of this thing. So very soon we should have an opening wide enough for us to be maybe able to stick a knife in here and start wedging it in. And then if that's the case, maybe we should be able to get through and see what's going on in there. But anyway, clearly the manufacturers don't want you to do this. I think the battery is no longer under warranty, so it doesn't really matter. It's been a while since this was purchased and given as a present. And again, as I like to say, I love this battery and mine is still running perfectly fine. So I have no idea what my friend did to this battery bank and why it stopped working. I don't know. I can't speculate.
Likey.